Understand absolute value. Now, absolute value is one of my favorite things, and I think that's just because what it identifies. So absolute value is the distance from zero. So when you're thinking about, let's just say a number line, and here's zero. Let me get some hash marks in here. So if we say zero is our starting point, zero is our home base, and we're traveling distance, well, distance is always positive. When I leave my house, whether I turn right, left, go forward, or backwards, I'm covering distance, and it's positive. It all counts as miles on my odometer. So distance is always positive. So if I say, well, from zero, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved 5 units. So the absolute value of 5 is 5 because I moved 5 units. The absolute value, these bars say how many units did you move if you went to the right 5? Because it's positive, so I moved right on the number line. Now, same idea. Let's say we have the absolute value of -3. So the bars say how many units did you move if you went to left 3? 1, 2, 3, that's right here. That means I went 3 units. So you're always going to be positive because you're moving that many units. Think of this as your odometer. How many units are you going? It doesn't matter what direction, you are covering distance. So find the absolute value of -2. If you need to visualize, I am a huge visual learner. -2 is to the left of 0. So this is -1, this is -2. The absolute value, right, the bars mean how many units from 0 is that. So if you start at 0 and you go 1, 2, 2 units. So the absolute value is 2. You're always counting. How many steps did I take? I took 2 steps. My absolute value is 2. Find the absolute value of 5. Okay, so we have our number line. It's +5, so we're going to move to the right. So starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where 5 is. I went 5 units to get there. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. It's always positive because you're covering distance. That's important.